Hello, it's me, Pokey Lafarge, with TJ Mower and Chloe Fioranza. We're here at the Mary Todd Hairdressing Company in Atlanta, Georgia. In Cabbagetown, we just got our haircuts and we're going to play them a song. Here's a little song called All Night Long by Tampa Red. 1, 2, 3.
Can you be? You just hold my memory all night long, all night long. No matter what I say and do, I can't stop thinking of you all night long, all night long. Oh, I stay awake and cry all night when they call her sin. They don't know the kind of fix you got me in. How can you be so mean to me after the way that you treated me all night long, honey, all night long. Got me in. How can you be so mean to me after the way that you treated me all night long, honey, all night long.
Thank you, Mary Todd Hairdressing Company in Atlanta. We'll see you again soon.